In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with stocks in GTA 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to find the stocks available in GTA 5, open up the internet through your phone and go to Money and Services. In here, you will locate LCN, Liberty City National Exchange Index. So access this website through your phone. Once you go inside here, you will be able to see all of the markets and all of the stocks available. So the general strategy for you to make guaranteed profit is to save Lester assassination missions until after you have completed the main story and the final heist. When you do this, each of your three characters will have a large sum of money. Then you will be able to invest all of it on a specific stock, and after you do the other assassination missions, specific stocks will either plummet or rise. So all that you have to do is know which stocks are going to be changed according to the assassination missions. Of course, if you don't care about optimizing and making guaranteed profit, you can still use the exchange index. So go over to markets, and in here you will find all of them. So select any of these stocks. You will see more details about them, including the change over time through this graph here. And now to buy them, choose this option, buy. Once you select this, you can specify how much you want to spend or how many stocks you will be purchasing. Everything will adjust dynamically. And then you can go ahead and choose the option to buy. By doing this, the stocks will appear under your portfolio. After a day or more have passed, you will find them here with the new updated price. You will be able to see the current price of the stock that you purchased alongside the return percentage per stock. The profit will be displayed at the right side, and all that you have to do now is sell all. Of course, you can continue holding them if you prefer, but that's going to be up to you. And like I said before, for each assassination mission that you do, a specific stock will either be plummeting and then will rise afterwards. So make sure to research which stocks are going to change according to which assassination missions if you would like to have guaranteed profit. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing because as you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.